welcome back to my channel Jadooi Math. I'm in Magical Math and we apologize that we couldn't upload our video on last Sunday 11th October as we got bit busy. Well, myself Chishakeshri, I am 10 years old. This video is part 21. Today we are going to discuss divisibility checked by any odd number ending with 1, 3, 7, 9. For example, is this number divisible by 71 or is this number divisible by 39, etc. We will perform any odd number divisibility check in seconds using Vedic Maths. Well, under Jadoo's definition, we are going to define how to get oscillator or seed number of any odd number divisor ending with 1 or 3 or 7 or 9. Basically, it has two steps. First, if divisor ends with 3 or 7, then multiply it with 3. For example, divisor is 17. New number is 17 times 3, which is equal 51. Example, divisor is 23. New number is 23 times 3, 69. But if divisor is already ending with 1 or 9, then no need to multiply divisor with any number. For example, divisor is 19. New number is 19. For example, divisor is 21. New number is 21. Second step, write new number in below format if it's ending with 9. So for example, new number plus 1 is equal to 10 times any positive number. For example, new number is 69. Then we can write 69 plus 1 is equal to 70. And then we can write 10 times 7. Both are same because 10 times 7 is equal to 70. So our 7 is oscillator or seed number. But because of this sign plus, it's positive oscillator. And write new number in below format if it's ending with 1. So new number minus 1 is equal to 10 times any positive number. For example, new number is 21. So we write 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. So we can write 20 10 times 2. So 2 is our oscillator or seed number. But because of again sign, this is negative oscillators. Well, before going into today's secret, just to remind, this part is called quotient, this part is called dividend, this part is called remainder, and this part is called divisor. And we are mainly going to concentrate on divisor. So now today's trick is, first find out the positive or negative oscillator number of divisor. After that, perform divisibility check by following below steps. Just keep in mind, while finding oscillator or seed number, purpose must be to make divisor ending with either 1 or 9. First question, is this number divisible by 13? Let's solve this together. So as per today's trick, First, we need to find oscillator of divisor 30. As per the trick, when the numbers end with 3, you need to do times 3. Means 13 times 3 is equal to 30. As per second step, whenever the numbers end with 9, you need to do plus 1 like this. So 39 plus 1 is equal to 40 and our positive oscillator of divisor 13 is 4. Let's do divisibility check. First, take out last digit of this number from right, which is 3. Second, multiply last digit with positive oscillator number of divisor. So 3 times 4 is equal to 12. Third, add 0.2 result to remaining left part of this number. So 3721 plus 12 is equal to 3733. It's still big number, so we will continue those steps. First, take out the last digit of this number from right, which is 3. Second, multiply last digit with positive oscillator number of divisor. So 3 times 4, which is 12. Third, add 0.2 result to remaining left part of this number. So 373 plus 12 is equal to 385. It's a still big number, so we will continue these steps again. First, take out the last digit of this number from right, which is 5. Multiply last digit with positive oscillator number of divisor. So 5 times 4, which is 20. Third, add 0.2 result to remaining left part of 385. So 38 plus 20 is equal to 58. 58 is not divisible by 13. Means this number is not divisible by 13. Second question. Is this number divisible by 21? As per the trick, we need to find oscillator of divisor 21. So as per the trick, whenever the numbers end with 1, you don't need to do anything. So step 1 is only 21. Step 2. As per the trick, when numbers end with 1, you need to do minus 1. So step 2 is 21 minus 1 is equal to 20. So our negative oscillator of divisor 21 is 2. Let's do divisibility check. First, take out the last digit of this number from right, which is 7. Second, multiply last digit with negative oscillator number of divisor, which is 7 times 2 is equal to 14. Third, subtract 0.2 result from remaining left part is equal to 392 minus 14, which is 378. It's a still big number, so we'll continue these steps again. So first, take out the last digit of this number from right, which is 8. Multiply last digit with negative oscillator number of divisor, which is 8 times 2 is equal to 60. Third, subtract 0.2 result from remaining left part. So 37 minus 16 is equal to 21. 21 is divisible by 21. Means this number is divisible by 21. Here we have given some more examples. Please go through it. Similarly here. Thank you for watching my video. I would like to say please subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos and press bell icon so you can get notification automatically. Please solve below question using today's Jadoo or Magic. Please keep in mind, my new videos comes on every Sunday. Till take care. Bye bye. See you next video. Stay home. Stay safe. Namaste.